Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub account with the latest method. So first of all, you just need to go to the browser and search for GitHub in the Google and just go to this github.com, click on it, and then you just need to go to this sign up option in the right corner. Then you just need to provide your email and create a password and also create a username. So I'm just going to do that. After giving the email and creating a password, you just need to click on continue. Then you need to verify your account. Click on visual puzzle. Use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. After submitting the puzzle, just click submit. Now I just need to confirm your email address. So go to the email that you provide and give the code here. So here's the code. I'm just going to copy it and paste it. Then click on continue. And as you can see, your account was created successfully. Now to sign in, click on sign in. Now give your email and password. Now as you can see, I have successfully logged in my GitHub account and this is my dashboard. So that's it guys, this is how you can create a GitHub account, which is very easy and simple. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.